My Unicorn by Cameron. My unicorn is prancing through the grass. It looks like it is made of glass. She leaps through the air so high. Her mane blows in a bright blue sky. Me and my unicorn will always be together. We will be BFFs forever and ever. The end.